In today's rapidly advancing technological landscape, gadgets have become an integral part of our lives, enriching our daily routines with convenience, entertainment, and efficiency. While high-end devices often dominate the headlines, there is a world of affordable gadgets waiting to be explored. Amazon, the world's largest online marketplace, is home to a plethora of budget-friendly options that don't compromise on quality or functionality. In today's video, we will be showing you the cheap gadgets available on Amazon. Without further ado, let's begin. ANS-iQ, world's smallest portable Bluetooth speaker. With a diameter of about 1.2 inches and a net weight of about 2.1 ounces, this may be the smallest wireless speaker you'll ever set your eyes on. This mini Bluetooth speaker can easily fit inside your pocket and even comes with a phone strap, which makes it easy to carry around. For such a small portable speaker, you'll be surprised at the loudness. With a volume of over greater than 90 dB, the device has the latest Bluetooth V5.0, which produces crisp sound quality at a range of over 30 feet. Atexi Food Kitchen Scale. This Atexi digital scale has endless uses for personal or commercial environments. Great for homes, kitchens, offices, and more. The scale has an easy-to-read LCD display with a beautiful clear backlit. With a capacity of 11 pounds, you can weigh a variety of items with ease. You will be surprised at all the uses you will have for this product. The tare function allows the user to deduct the weight of a container from the total weight in order to determine the net weight of the contents, excluding the weight of the container which holds them. Portable spare room diffuser for essential oils. The spare room Scentifier diffuser features a fan that blows across a microfiber absorbing pad, capable of providing you with cleansing aromatherapy and wonderful aromas when used with high-quality essential oils. Add 4 to 6 drops on the pad and then turn the diffuser on. This contemporary diffuser utilizes a fan and absorbing pad to disperse the aromas of essential oil. This diffuser is perfect for a restroom or desk. Kitchen Gizmo Snap-in Strain Pot Strainer and Pasta Strainer. Do not fall for the inferior design and quality of the imitations. Only the Cellar Home & Goods carries the original Snap-in Strain designed and manufactured by Kitchen Gizmo. The Kitchen Gizmo Snap-in Strain's universal design will take the strain out of straining. This top-quality heat-resistant silicone colander is the newest, most practical way to get your food strained thoroughly while avoiding transferring the food out of the pot. Coasin Safe Sound Personal Alarm. The emergency alarm can make a loud sound to draw attention to protect you from having an emergency, even at distances as far as 606.9 feet. In addition, the sounds could last 50 minutes, continuous ear-piercing alarm. This personal alarm equips with 3 AG13/or44 batteries for extended life. The AG13/or44 batteries are the secret to this alarm's painful loudness. They'll last up to 365 days before you need to consider replacing them. Onewheel GT. A totally redesigned control system uses higher voltage for more power, torque, and dynamic performance at all speeds. And who doesn't like more voltage? Higher voltage for more power, torque, and dynamic performance at all speeds. Welcome to that 3 horsepower life. With up to 32 miles/52 kilometers on a single charge, riding a full day without a recharge is now a thing. Concave foot pads, grippier grip tape, and a custom tire profile combine for even deeper carving and a more bored feel. State-of-the-art 21,700 batteries provide peak performance across the state of charge, so you can get after it wherever your adventures take you. Go farther. JD Touch Case for iPhone 14. Designed for iPhone Southeast/5/5 with ring grip holder. Made with PC and TPU fusion to offer full protection all around the device and support the operation of all ports. All-around protection for your device with a slim design, unique shock absorption design, 4 corners effectively absorb shocks. Perfectly fits your iPhone 14 6.1 inch. Supports wireless charging. Made with PC and TPU. The inner tiny dots design avoids ugly watermarks against the phone's back and sides. Lightweight and slim design. Raised bezels offer extra protection for the screen and camera. Unique shock absorption design, 4 corners effectively absorb shocks. Easy access to all the controls and features. Elite Gourmet EGC007 Rapid Egg Cooker. Fill the measuring cup with water to the desired doneness. Press the power button, and within minutes your eggs will be egg-solid. Fun and simple to use for family members of all ages. The built-in timer, buzzer, and auto shoot-off get it right every time. faster than conventional stuff-it-out methods. Cook up to 7 eggs in soft, medium, or hard-boiled firmness, while saving time and water. Eggs come out consistently perfect. The shell is extremely easy to peel, and cleanup is a cinch. Panasonic Women's Facial Hair Remover and Eyebrow Trimmer. The Panasonic Facial Trimmer uses a smooth pivoting head to gently follow the natural contours of the skin to closely and precisely trim unwanted hair on the face, chin, and neck. Quickly and comfortably remove unwanted hair from the face, neck, and body with the Panasonic Facial Hair Trimmer for Women ES2113 PC. For use as an eyebrow trimmer and brow shaper, upper lip hair remover, plus nose and ear hair remover, this hair trimmer features a pivoting trimming head to gently follow the natural contours of your face for superior coverage and comfort. MCCC Professional Tactical Pen Self-Defense Pen. MCCC has specialized in designing and manufacturing flashlights with over 12 years of experience. People need light and dark, and we are committed to providing bright, quality, and valuable products to help you at night. MCCC strives to fast and save shipping experience. In an emergency, there's no time to fumble with awkward tools or search for a glass breaker. You need help, and you need it now. Atexity Infrared Thermometer. Atexity Laser Grip 774 has one of the most classic designs among our infrared thermometer series. Very quality hand feeling, with one button to measure and 2 common temperature units that can fulfill home use needs. With a non-touch and a laser point switch design, you can measure hot or cold items at a suitable distance. The pizza oven, air conditioning/AC, car engines, swimming pools, bath water, wine coolers, etc. Besides, an easy-use design also provides more convenient pet care, maintaining a comfortable temp environment for reptiles and hairless cats. Retarist Magnetic Eyeglass Holder. No more dropping, scratching, or misplacing your glasses. You'll no longer need to waste time looking for them and spend money to fix or replace them. Keep your readers and sunglasses secure and easily accessible with readers. The title might say eyeglass holder, but Readerist is so much more than that. It can be used to hold your ID badge at work, manage your earbuds and sunglasses when you come inside, safety glasses off the job site, and more. The sleek black clip and clear backplate match any style. Gearlight High-Powered LED Flashlight. When it comes to reliable illumination in any situation, the Gearlight High-Powered LED Flashlight stands out as an exceptional gadget available on Amazon. Built with durability, versatility, and impressive brightness in mind, this flashlight is a go-to choice for outdoor enthusiasts, emergency preparedness, and everyday use. The Gearlight High-Powered LED Flashlight boasts an incredibly bright beam that cuts through the darkness with ease. Equipped with advanced LED technology, it produces an impressive output of lumens, allowing you to light up your surroundings and explore even the darkest corners. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.